Kingslay's Hotel. Never close. It's good location, this hotel. I will put location in description of a video. Thank you, I will check. I will ask if have lobby. Oh, nice.
Tinatanong ni sir yung booking, ay yung ano, how much room?
I want to know how much room here.
Yeah, it's 5,200 per day.
5,200. Okay. So have in the booking. Now I know low season. Don't have discount right now.
We can give 4,500.
4,500 right now. Nice hotel. How many rooms here?
We only have 12 rooms.
12 rooms. Not so many, but it's okay. It's good location. Nice.
Our room is 48 square meters.
Now full booking or not?
Now we still have room.
Do you have if I can fast take video if you can? I can I take video one the room if you have if available?
Yeah, we have available.
Can you show to me one room? Billiard also have. Take a look, is billiard. Who like billiard? I will say to Georgi. Is nice. Pagoda. Inside hotel. Live band also maybe here. Pizza. Take a look. This is pizza. 400 peso. Pizza. Thank you. Thank you. BPI, this is BPI Bank. I take video for my YouTube channel. Because it's my life Philippines. Yes, and my subscribers always going to Angeles and Clark also. That's why they asking me hotels. Which hotel? Yeah. That's why I want to show hotel room
King
here.
Alfred. Our room is 48 square meters. It
Oh, it's
has
big.
a mini bar. The CR. A shower, rain shower. We have cabinets and safety deposits.
Safety box.
Yeah, the TV, smart TV. The cable is here. You can watch Netflix if you want. And 24 hours room service. This is the Juliet balcony.
Oh, nice.
You want to smoke?
Smoke allowed here. Good, because some of people thinking maybe not allowed.
It's okay. You can smoke at the balcony.
Only 12 rooms, but
All
not
our rooms are the same.
all the same.
Yes.
But not so many people always.
Not always. There are times. It depends on the season.
But hot season is maybe December, from December to March here in this hotel.
Yeah, the burn months is usually the good months.
Okay, thank you. No, very nice location. Clark.
Yeah, and what's also accessible here. We have Jollibee, Starbucks,
Yeah.
Burger King.
Yes, I always here going to this place.
But usually our guests are like businessmen. They do businesses here.
Yeah.
Call centers.
So many call centers on the Clark.
Yeah, there are so many.
Nice hotel. I will upload to my YouTube channel and show location and price. So now we have prices 4,500.
Yeah, there's no breakfast.
No breakfast. With breakfast how much?
That's 5,200.
5,200 breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much for information.
Welcome.
Okay.
Thank you.
You can watch YouTube channel It's My Life Philippines if you
Okay,
want.
I'll check it. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you. Bye. Tora Cloud. Okay, I will go to the playground.